Elizabeth here, Senior Stylist at Charlie Got Style. Thanks for joining me today. Today I'm going to be chatting through some of my favorite wedding guest dresses specifically for summer. I have broken it into 5 separate categories. We're going to do traditional wedding, we're going to do garden party wedding, destination wedding, black tie, and cocktail. So let's get into it. Okay, so this is my first look. I think this look is really, really beautiful for a traditional wedding. It could even be worn in a church. If you do need to have your shoulders covered for a church wedding, I'd probably just grab an easy shawl, something in a neutral color. I think the cut of this dress is very classic. I do love the rouging of it, the muted floral effect. And then I do like that this little portion here in the midsection is a little bit sheer. Just adds a little interest to the dress. Obviously, it being off the shoulder is really nice. Because there is a lot happening with this dress though, I would keep my jewelry to a minimum. I wouldn't wear anything around the neck. You could either go with a bit of a statement earring or something dainty. And also same with your jewelry. I would go for something a little bit dainty and understated. I've gone with some terracotta bracelets here. I always wear them and I love them. For my shoe, I've chosen something that's on the strappier side. I've also gone with a neutral in the silver and gold mixed metal. We know that is on trend right now. Obviously, your silvers and golds act as a neutral, so I do think it adds a little pop, but also keeps it understated. With my hair, because my hair is short, I don't have a lot of options of what I can do with it, so putting a little wave in works for me. But if I had longer hair, I think what I would do is either do an updo, just to take it away from my neck to really show off the neckline of this dress. Okay, so this dress I'm obsessed with. It was on the pricier side. It's from Banana Republic, but in my opinion, worth every penny. I do love this, especially for us bustier girls that don't want to go braless or strapless. This is perfect. It's got a thicker strap. It also has, if I can show you here, it's got the little clasp here that you can actually tuck your bra strap into, so that will help a lot. The color, I'm obsessed with this. It has the flow. I'm actually wearing a petite, but you can get this in regular as well. So as a petite person at 5'1", this is a perfect length for me. Again, I paired it with some silver jewelry. I'm actually wearing all terracotta, but my little terracotta bracelets, and then my necklace as well. And then I just put on a silver hoop. Again, the silver strappy shoes. I didn't want anything too heavy on the bottom, so I thought a strappy heel is perfect, just to create less bulk at the bottom, because this is quite long and flowy. Again, I probably would do a silver clutch with this dress as well. I can't tell you how much I love it. I love it so, so much. Okay, so I found another winner. This one's also from Banana Republic. It is made of linen. It's got pockets, love that. I would definitely wear this to a garden party styled wedding. I love the back of it. And the halter styled neckline. It is plunging a little bit in the front, which is so cute. I don't have a bra on right now, but you could easily wear a strapless bra with this as well. You wouldn't be able to wear a traditional bra because you would definitely see the straps in the back. What I love the most about this dress is it's really versatile. So obviously you can totally dress it up, it can be worn to a wedding, but this could be worn anytime in the summer as well. Put on a cute little sandal, grab a little raffia bag, good to go. Even toss on a baseball cap, so, so cute. So this dress, I definitely think is an investment worth making because you can rewear it. In terms of styling a dress like this, again, I probably would just have a little smaller mini bag. Could be a clutch or just a small bag with a little handle. Another bag style that I think would be really, really cute with this would be something that's beaded or pearled. I think it would be so, so cute. Give a little bit of contrast, but really complement it. In terms of a shoe, I have gone with a clear vinyl shoe. Garden party styled weddings, you might want to find something with a smaller heel or a block heel. A shoe like this might not work for you, but something that's just plain neutral is what I would go with. I did tuck my hair behind my ear here. If I had longer hair, I would wear it up or down. I don't think it really matters, but I would want to show off the neckline just a little bit, so a little tuck is perfect. And again, I would go with daintier jewelry and let the dress speak for itself. Okay, so my second garden party styled dress is from Dynamite, much more affordable, equally as cute. I love the volume in the skirt of this dress. I also do like the little keyhole detail that it's got at the center here, and the back is open. It is a halter style. with smocking in the back. So it does give some movement, allows for some stretch, which is really, really great. Because this is a halter style, the straps are obviously really, really thin, but because of the style of strap, I've avoided a necklace and I have added in a cute little earring. These little cuties I've actually picked up from Amazon. A little pearl detail, and I've added in an extra bracelet here. Again, I wouldn't do anything crazy, just a couple of bangles is really all you need. For a bag, I would choose something with, like the last dress, pearled or beaded, something probably in a creamier color. And then I have chosen a cream shoe. Now, I don't necessarily know that I would wear this shoe to a backyard wedding, but if you were to wear this to a more traditional wedding, then I think a shoe like this would be appropriate. But I probably would choose something in cream, more along the lines of a sandal if I were going to a garden party style wedding. Okay, so this dress would also be suitable for a garden party, but I think that I would wear this to more of an informal backyard wedding. It's really cute. It has the smocking in the back, again, allows for some stretch, which is key after you've had your dinner and some drinks. I will say though, that it is giving slight 80s prom style, so great for a themed wedding, but I do like it. I just don't know that I'd be wearing it to any sort of more formal style of a wedding, but for a backyard, I think it's great. You could even put it on a flat, strappy sandal, maybe one that winds up your leg a little bit, could also be really cute with this one. It is fully off the shoulder, so I just added in a little silver necklace. Again, tucked my hair behind my ear. If I did have longer hair, I probably would wear my hair up. I also love this dress as well. This is a dress I would wear to a beach wedding or a destination wedding. The back is open, backless with a really cute little strap detail there that you can tighten or loosen. This dress is from Dynamite. Again, amazing price point. I love the color. It also comes in a sage green as well. I do love the halter here, along with the little detail where it twists. It's so cute. The one thing that I would suggest with this dress, or one like it, is getting two-sided tape. I'm not currently wearing it, but I don't know that I would be comfortable not having two-sided tape. I want to make sure the girls are secured. Also, there's no way you're wearing a bra with this dress, so you would have to be comfortable wearing stick-on bras or pasties. Overall, I love it. I just have it on with a clear heel, which I think is perfect for a destination. I also would go with a beaded or pearled little handbag as well, especially if you are on a beach or somewhere warm and tropical. And I think too, I wear my hair up as well. Okay, so this is a dress that I would wear to a black tie wedding. It's black. It also has some little polka dots on it. I'm obsessed with this dress. I love the slit in the leg here. It's actually not too high, so I don't feel like it's too revealing, or when you sit down, it's gonna be too crazy. I love the full skirt. Again, this one also does have some smocking in the back, so again, allows for some room. It moves with your body, which I think is amazing. Love that it's strapless. I don't have a bra on, but you could definitely go with a strapless bra or not wear one at all. I do feel like it's got quite a bit of support. I do love how much of my neck and chest area is showing. I did go with a daintier style necklace, but just with a little pearl detail. This I did get from Revolve. And then I also went with those pearly Amazon earrings as well. I would definitely go with a black clutch, and I do have a black strappy heel on. Heel is not too high, easy to walk in, can keep them on all night. It's a very minimal strapless shoe, so it doesn't take away from the overall effect of the dress. Okay, so I feel like this dress could be worn to two different styles of wedding. I do think you could get away with it at a black tie wedding, but I definitely think it would be perfect for a cocktail styled wedding. Say you're in a restaurant, it's a bit moody. I do think a dress like this would be perfect for that type of wedding. Again, I've gone with the strappier black heel. I would stick with that. I love the sheer detail at the bottom of the dress, as well as the top. And much the same with a lot of the other dresses I've been putting on. The back is smocked as well, so again, allows for a lot of movement. With this dress, I am wearing a black strapless bra. It's quite form-fitting, quite tight throughout the body. However, I do feel like where some of the other dresses I was able to get away with not wearing a bra, this one I would not have felt comfortable not wearing a bra. With this dress, I would definitely just stick with a classic, sleek black clutch. I've also added in a statement earring These are from Jenny Bird. No necklace. And I just have, again, just some bangles on my arms. Or what I think I would do is add in a silver cuff. I think that would really just take the dress and the whole look up a notch. Again, I would wear my hair like this because I don't have a lot of options. Or I would do a side part and slick it. Have it tucked all behind my ears with a cute slick. So I think that if I had longer hair, I think I would do something like a slicked back bun would probably be my choice with a dress like this. Okay, so this is another style of dress that I would wear to a cocktail type of wedding. I really do love it. I think the colors are so pretty. They blend really well together. Again, I love the off the shoulder. I am wearing a black strapless bra with this. I love that it hits just above the knee. And I also think this would actually work for a destination wedding. This with the ocean as a backdrop. How cute would that be? It also is very light. It's airy. It is so soft. This one is from Revolve. And just as a reminder, all of the dresses that I've tried on today will actually be located in the comment section below. So again, I just went with a strappy heel for this dress as well. Very minimal. I don't think it needs a lot. Again, I do think the dress does speak for itself. I did again go with a statement earring, which is what I would do with this dress, just because of the neckline here. You don't really want to put a necklace in. It's gonna get cut off or it's gonna be sitting on top. Not a great look. You could do a cuff with this dress as well. And then again, I probably would choose a black bag if I did have a black strappy shoe on. But if I went with a silver shoe, which I think is also another great option, then I would choose more of a metallic-y type bag to go with it. I would choose a clutch in both instances. So yeah. So that concludes my dress try-on for today. I've definitely gone through some of my favorite summer wedding guest looks. I hope you guys had fun and enjoyed watching it. Leave a comment below and let us know which dress was your favorite.